So you want to learn to talk like an American? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Two particular sounds that speakers from India and Pakistan have difficulty with are V's and W's. Quite often the V sounds like a W and the W sounds like a V. To make the V sound correctly, you need to make sure that you move your bottom lip to your top teeth so that your teeth are resting against your bottom lip. V, V, V. You should feel a vibration and you should feel airflow. V. You'll feel the air come out and you'll feel the vibration on your teeth and your lip. To make the W, you need to push your lips close together and forward. W, W. The sound comes from the throat, and the change in lip position just changes the sound. W, 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 W. So it's lip position for the W, and it's lip to the teeth for the V, V. For words like very, however, way, those are the way that you want to form those words. Some V sounds that are problematic can be the word very, very. Oftentimes it'll sound like wary if you don't take the time to make sure your bottom lip comes up to your top teeth. V, V. And you want to feel that vibration. There should be airflow and vibration. Very, very. To make the W sound, we'll practice the words way, way. The lips come forward and together, way, and will. And then when the W comes in the middle of a word, which is a little bit more difficult if you're speaking quickly, always, always. You need to give yourself time to make that mouth position so that you get the correct sound on the W, always, and so that it doesn't sound like always, because we don't want it to sound like a V. It shouldn't sound like always, it should be always. Some practice words for the V sound are every, and these can be particularly challenging when the V is in the middle of the word, every. So if you speak fast, you have to give yourself time to get that bottom lip up to the top teeth. Every, and very, and however. Notice how the bottom lip comes up to the top teeth when I get to the V in the word however. Let's try some short phrases with W sound. I always will. I always will. However, I will not. However, I will not. Let's go that way. Let's go that way. Let's practice some short phrases using the V sound. Everyone is there. However, I am here. However, I am here. Everyone is there. They are very good. They are very good. Okay, now it's time to go and practice. Remember that if you're speaking quickly, it will help to slow down a little bit to give yourself time to form the correct mouth position so that your V sounds like a V and your W, where, when, why, makes the correct sound. If you speak too quickly, that W is going to maybe sound like a V and the V is going to sound like a W. So you must give yourself time to make the correct mouth position. Okay? Go practice.